Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can take a screenshot in Microsoft Clipchamp. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Microsoft Clipchamp and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, you're gonna find all of the sections. There is the home section, the brand kit, templates, and here you're gonna find your folders. Right here in the center of your screen, you're going to find the option to create a new video, and here you can create a video with AI. So right now, I'm going to click on create a new video to create a video from scratch. So right now, in order to add a video, go ahead and click on import media, and then go ahead and choose a video from your computer. So I'm going to add this video. If you want to add it to the timeline, you can either click on the plus icon or you can just drag it like this. So once you add your video, right here you're gonna find all of the tools that you will need in order to customize your video. Here in the right, as you can see, guys, you can edit the audio. Here you can add a fade effect. Here you're gonna find the filters, the effects, the option to adjust colors, and here you can adjust the speed. But as you can see, guys, right here, there is no option to take a screenshot in Microsoft Clipchamp. You can only record your video by going to record and create. And then right here, as you can see, guys, you can record your screen. If you want to take a screenshot, you can um, do a full screen, click on full screen right here, and then take a screenshot by clicking on Windows plus Shift plus S. Then you can take your screenshot like this and it will be saved. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.